Feeding time. I'm going to feed my parrotfish flakes with a spoon. Let's have a look. Come on in. And they are hungry. They haven't had any breakfast. So here we go. Up, 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 oof. Come on in. There we go. Up. They love the flakes and pellet food, but I like feeding them with flakes because it sticks to my hands, and I will feed them. I will hand feed them in a minute after spoon feeding them. They like to come and say hello. They like to be stroked. Come on. Right, now I shall feed them by hand. They like being stroked. Well, let's try that again. Give them a bit more. This time I'm going to lure them to the top of my hand so they can come up the water a bit more. Let's try that. Let's see if I can get them to come out and say hello. Come, fishy, fishy. Up. Well, get it to stick to your hand, and then it should come up. There you go. Oh. Come on in. Up you go. The water hit me in the face just now. Come on in. I shall grab him when he comes up. Just splash the camera. Bit of fun. Anyway, they've been fed now.